welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Wedding season is on. We are not sleeping well, we're not eating good food and also using a lot of makeup. So yes, this is the time when you actually need to take care of your skin a lot and give your skin some really good food, especially if you have acne, oily prone skin. Then ये सब करने से acne are going to pop up and stuff like that. I got a chance to try out Pilgrim's new launches and 4 of them literally became my favorite. I've been trying their products from more than a month now and these 4 products are my most favorite. So I thought I should review it for you guys. So let's get into the video. So before I dive into the products, I want to tell you a little about this brand. So Pilgrim is basically a global beauty brand which is paraben-free, sulfate-free, cruelty-free and also PETA certified. I make sure that whenever I'm trying a product or I'm trying a new brand, it should always have these things because they really matter to me. So that's why I gave it a big thumbs up and tried few products. Now the next 3 products I'm gonna talk about are amazing if you have acne prone skin. It is going to work really well for you. Also अगर आपकी skin excess oil produce करती है उसके लिए भी they are just perfect. So let's get started. So the first product is Pilgrim Salicylic and Glycolic Acid Foaming Face Wash. What I love is it got my favorite ingredient, which is salicylic acid. If you guys don't know, it's an active ingredient which goes deep into your pores, unclog them, helps you to control your sebum. Also अगर आपको blackheads और whiteheads आने वाले हैं तो ये उनको भी develop करने से रोकता है. And अगर आपको acne or pimples है, then this product is going to be your best friend. It's an oil-free foaming cleanser which pulls out the oil, removes the dead skin cells to resurface and smoothen your skin. Also reduces the appearance of age and sunspots, and also if you have hyperpigmentation, this is going to help you. This face wash is specially crafted for oily, acne-prone and blemished skin. Now the next product is the Pilgrim's 25% AHA, 2% BHA and 5% PHA peeling solution. If you guys don't know, now I've stopped using physical exfoliators. Now I like to use peeling solutions or chemical exfoliators because I feel they are very gentle on your skin and they work really well. So this is nothing but facial at home, also affordable and very effective. So if you have like pores या redness है or you have a lot of uneven tone skin, discoloration या फिर अगर आपकी skin बहुत bumpy सी है, so if you use this product you'll feel after the first time only when you use it, your skin will be all smooth and nice and it feels very good and hardly takes 10 minutes. So yes, all you have to do is you have to take in a good amount, apply on your face, keep it for a good 10 minutes and wash your face, and trust me, you are going to thank me later. It gently exfoliates the lining of the pores and surface of the skin to get rid of dead skin cell, debris and oil. A perfect blend of glycolic acid, salicylic acid and lactic acid that comes together to enhance the skin texture and tone. And now my most favorite product from the whole range is the Pilgrim Zit Zapper Anti-Acne Gel. This is such a lifesaver product. You are going to love it, especially if you have acne. This is going to be your best friend. I love trying out spot treatments and this is one of them which I absolutely love now. Okay, so basically if you have acne, all you have to do is you have to apply it on your acne or zits or those painful pimples. Even on marks sometimes I apply and trust me, I've seen a huge difference. It gives you instant relief and it got this very amazing cooling sensation, so you feel that your acne are healing. It hydrates them, also moisturize them and heals them, and that's the best part. So I like to use it like twice a day and this really works for me. It got powerful active ingredients, salicylic and glycolic acid. The gel improves the appearance of breakouts overnight and gently exfoliates to reveal fresh and radiant skin. It also hydrates, moisturizes and soothes the minor skin irritations. So basically this is a non-alcoholic lightweight gel formula which is very mild on your skin but heals your acne, zits or pimples very effectively. Like you will see a difference after you use it for like twice a day, you will see a huge difference. So yes, definitely try this product. Now the fourth product is Pilgrim's 100% natural and pure Tamanu oil. This is a different product. You must have never heard about this oil, but trust me, it works really well. Wedding season is here. We all need youthful, glowing, healthy skin. So I like to just massage this oil on my face and give it like a good 10 minutes massage, and then wash my face and start with my makeup. I feel my skin just glows from within. Plus, if you have acne scars, if you have redness or any kind of discoloration, it also helps you with that. And कभी अगर आपको रेज़र से कट लग जाए या फिर अगर आपको ingrowth hair है, then also this oil is going to really help you. I felt that nobody knows about this oil, that's why I wanted to talk about this one, and it is such a beautiful beauty oil. This contains a trending ingredient which is used in Korean beauty, and it's pure natural oil. It got a woodsy aroma. It heals skin inflammations, wounds, burns and scars. It also heals acne scars, fade dark spots, tighten up your skin, diminishes fine lines and wrinkles, softens your skin becomes really smooth, and I absolutely love it. So you can check out Pilgrim's website because they have products for your skin and your body, from dry to oily skin. And because I was saying I have been trying out their products, there are 2 more products which I have been trying, and to be honest, I'm kind of loving them, so I thought I should include this in this video too. The first one is the Pilgrim Volcanic Lava Ash Foaming Face Wash. What I love about this one is cleans your face really well without drying it, and also it comes with this brush जिसकी bristles are really soft, so cleaning करने में काफी easy हो जाता है, and it smells also good. You feel very fresh and nice. Next one is the Pilgrim 2% Hyaluronic Acid. Next one is the Pilgrim 2% Hyaluronic Acid. If you guys know, I've spoken about HA so many times that now you guys should know how amazing it is. So it's naturally present in your skin, but then with age, it starts to deplete. This is one ingredient which makes your skin more radiant, more plump. So you can just add this into your skincare routine too. If you guys know, I've spoken about HA so many times that now you guys should know how amazing it is. So it's naturally present in your skin, but then with age, it starts to deplete. This is one ingredient which makes your skin more radiant, more plump. So you can just add this into your skincare routine too. So that was all for today. And Pilgrim was very kind enough to give us a coupon code which you can use on their website, which is ShivShakti15. I'm gonna write it here, also in the description box below, so definitely check that out. I hope this video was helpful, and I will see you very soon. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and bye bye.